What's up, everyone? This is Seth at Pagemaker, and today I am super excited to be sharing with you a new feature that we just launched. It's dynamic text replacement, and it's incredibly powerful. At our agency side, we've been using dynamic text replacement for clients for the last 4 or 5 years, and it always helps increase conversions. We decided to bring it onto Pagemaker and give you a true conversion tool to help you sell more products. The best thing about it is you don't have to know when you code, there are no third-party apps, and you don't have to hire a developer. You can do this within a matter of seconds, and I'm going to show you how. But before I do that, I want to show you how it looks on a live page. So imagine your prospect lands on your landing page. I'm from Canada and I live in the city of Barrie. Dynamic text replacement will put my personalized country code into the text. So you see here it says free expedited shipping to Canada and delivered free to Barrie. If you were from Brazil, it would say free expedited shipping to Brazil. This personalized text not only increases conversions, but it builds a better customer experience. And personally, as someone that shops online, especially for the CBD, if I saw free shipping to Barrie, which was my city, it would entice and engage me more to buy. It's a psychological factor, and it's been proven time after time. You can look through blogs and case studies that dynamic text replacement really works. The codes are simple, very simple. We provide them to you, but if you do want to remember, it's literally 3 semicolons, the word city, and 3 semicolons, and the same for the country. I'll show you how to do it live. Now imagine this, let's get this top announcement bar away so I can show you. Imagine we wanted to add a top announcement bar that had free shipping to their country, and you wanted to make that country dynamic, personalized text. All you have to do is go to your modules, add a top announcement bar, free shipping to, that's all. And when you publish the page, it will personalize the text. It's literally that simple. If you have any questions about how this works, or you want to jump on a call and have us implement it on your landing page, just shoot us over a message. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We appreciate all of your support, and I'll be back on Monday with another awesome video. Have a great day and enjoy your weekend. Thank you.